just to press rewind. I've been waiting all day for you to hit my line. I've been waiting all day just to steal your time. Maybe make you mine, let it all unwind. Cause you were there since way before we got all famous. And you'll be there when we probably end up nameless. Oh, you're the only one I ever wanna stay with. Oh, you're the only one who understands my language. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're the only one who understands my language.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney, and for today's video, we're going to Disney World. We're on the way right now. I'm with my sister, and we're gonna be there today, which is Monday, through Friday, which is Friday. Okay, that was so stupid. Okay, hold on. And we're staying at Saratoga Springs, which I've never stayed there before, so I'm pretty excited. And then we have a reservation for Animal Kingdom, and we're thinking about park hopping to Epcot after. So I will see you guys when we are at the hotel.
And changes all my different phases, let's face it. Oh, I don't.
Our hotel room actually isn't ready. We got here a little too early, but that's okay because we're just gonna go to the parks. Got my classic mini ears. We're here. Okay, bye.
There we go. There you go.
So we just got to Animal Kingdom, and we're on the way to Pandora so we can ride Flight of Passage because she actually has a short wait time, which is kind of unusual. But I'm also extremely hungry, so we're on the hunt for a snack cart as well. Okay, we got our snacks. I got this birthday muffin. It's like a blueberry muffin. I'm just gonna try it real quick. It's really messy actually. She's good. I love me a good muffin. I got ice cream. So we're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna go, I don't know where the ride is. We're going to Flights of Passage after this, so yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm still recording.
Don't care what we get. Oh, I just wanna be with you. Oh, tell me what's the Oh, I just.
So we went on Flight of Passage, and now we're waiting for Expedition Everest, which is my personal favorite ride in Animal Kingdom. Agreed. But I will say that I think Pandora is my favorite part of Animal Kingdom just 'cause it's like really pretty, and I like it a lot. Oh, that's so pretty! Okay, the line was super short, so we're riding it again. Also, can we talk about the sunset right now? Because she's making me so happy. We just went on Everest again, and now the plan is to go to the front of the park. They have like extended hours today at Epcot, and if you're staying in a deluxe resort or whatever, you get to try to join another Guardians of the Galaxy queue. So we're gonna try to do that because we've never been on it before, and we really wanna go on it. So I will update you guys if we get on the ride or not, but fingers crossed.
Summertime's over, but not for me and you. Thinking about the things we still.
Okay, we had to stop to we stopped to shop and also watch they did projections on the tree, but guess what? we got a boarding group. Well, to clarify, I got a boarding group. Just so excited because, you know, been waiting 5 ever to go on this ride. And our boarding group boards in 4 hours. So we've got a minute. But we're gonna I think we're just gonna head to Epcot now to get some dinner and then just like, wait. She is gorgeous. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me, but we're at this Creations Eatery and I got 5 cheese pizza and some fries. What'd you get?
Chicken nuggets and fries.
I'm gonna try my pizza for you guys. They're literally ginormous, but let's take a bite. So we finished eating and I think the plan is to go to Mission Space at 7:31. And our boarding time for Guardians is at 9:52. So we've got a...
I'll need you to trigger the
Trainer. Follow the box on the floor. Your X2 trainer. Now.
I am so honored to be here. This is
So that was so much fun. We just watched the candlelight processional with Josh Gad. So now it's finally time to go on Guardians of the Galaxy because our boarding group called us a little early, but like whatever. I'm not complaining. I will definitely give you a review when we're done, but no spoilers because I'm not that kind of gal. Okay. I like that music. Yes.
Wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. Also want to see the energy, dinosaurs.
I cried. That was kind of epic, if I'm, you know. Wow. That was probably now my favorite ride here at Disney World. Well, besides Splash Mountain, obviously. But it was like, I don't want to spoil too much, but it just was like not like any roller coaster I've ever been on before. And it was like, it was just really like unique and kind of epic, and I like that. So definitely we'll be trying to get on the queue as much as possible for the rest of the trip. So yeah, but now we're gonna leave because we're kind of tired, kind of thirsty, kind of dead inside. So we just got back to the hotel. It's actually really cute. So I'm at the little tour. So this is what she looks like. We have this little full body mirror, and then this little kitchenette type thing. And then here's the bathroom. It's me again. Cute little shower and toilet area. And then this is the bedroom. So we got our little beds. Yeah. And then there's the TV that says our name on it. Oh, and I think we have a balcony.
I just noticed that.
Duh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Where's your family?
We definitely, hold on. Oh gosh, guys, sorry. Turn lever to unlock. Right. This is our back. Oh, wait, it's actually kind of kitty. We have a view of the lake or pond or stream or whatever. That's our hotel room. It's like 11 o'clock or so, I don't really know. But it's time to wind down and watch some TV or something, and then go to bed. So it turns out Disney has this thing now where you can like connect your phone to the TV. So we're watching The Office. Pretty slay.
Have left to do, and I don't know what tomorrow's gonna bring, but if I got you, then I got everything. Now we're riding through the